Welcome to the final day of my Alps motorcycle adventure. Today, I'm riding from Interlaken, Switzerland back to where it all started, Frankfurt, Germany. It's a 375 kilometers journey, taking about 6 hours and 45 minutes. After 2 restful nights at Park Hotel Gunten, it's time to hit the road one last time. The weather today is mostly cloudy with scattered rains, similar to some of the other days on this trip, but nothing I can't handle at this point. Despite the weather, the ride back to Germany is still beautiful. The Alps, even in the rain, have this way of captivating you with their majestic scenery. As I get closer to Frankfurt, the terrain starts to level out, but the memories of the mountain will definitely stay with me. Before heading home, I had to make one last stop at Tiny Cafe in Bad Soden, Germany. This has always been one of my favorite cafes, and it felt fitting to end the trip here. After thousands of kilometers, it's great to have a relaxing coffee break before wrapping up the adventure. Sitting here, reflecting on the journey, it's hard to believe that this solo ride through the Alps is coming to an end. From the mountain passes to the rain-soaked roads and all the amazing stops along the way, it's been an unforgettable experience. Thanks for following along on this incredible journey through the Alps. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay tuned for more adventures. Until next time, ride safe and enjoy the open road.